Хорошо. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. Yes, I have been preparing. My Finnish friend, he thinks I have prepared him a korjaussarja. He comes from the spa. He's very thirsty. Cold prosecco, cold cava, cold beer. And I've also arranged, bribed, yes, I have bribed with my Norwegian oil trust friends, yes. I have told the elevator company, tell my Finnish friend no. They tell him no. I have bribed the oligarch bank. I tell my Finnish friend no. No, they tell him no. Yes, I have, yes, some vodka, yes. Then I bribed the electricity company. The place where we sent the first missiles when we attack, yes. They tell him no. My Finnish friend, he's desperate. And he comes from the spa. He's out for a cold drink. Cold drink, yes. And he drinks it all. Not one korjaussarja, but two korjaussarjas. He becomes alcoholized. And then I can have my drinking body back, yes. Vittu saatana oligarkit, annas kylpyä ja bikinityttöistä. Aha, jaha. Mistäs nää on tähän tullut? Kyllä mä pissään. Jumakauta. Tää maistuu. Parempi laittaa näitä takas tonne minibaariin. Tää hirveä lasku, ei oo varaa ryyppää tällaista. Varmaan säästömarkit. Maksuhäiriö laageri täytyy varmaan siinä. Sidokkaan lainkaan menee vielä.